We are looking at how to pronounce these names. We're going to be looking at how to say more confusing names, surnames too, including from Hebrew. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more Hebrew masculine name, meaning united, joined, or joined in harmony. It's also a surname. So let's break down how to pronounce it. Levy is the most common pronunciation, 2 syllables. Le, V, a short E sound at the end. Levy is how it's pronounced in English, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.